and welcome to I Feel Yoga class. Today we will begin with a breathing practice, Kapalabhati. Welcome. Exhale all the air out. Inhale fully. And exhale completely. Inhale, comfortable level. And begin to pump. Inhale, hold the breath, stay with it, 10 seconds. Lift your chin, open the mouth, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale completely. Inhale, comfortable level, and begin. Keep pumping the air out. We don't care about inhalations, they happen automatically. We only care about exhaling, exhaling. 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale, exhale all the air out. Inhale. Hold your breath, stay with it. Lift your chin, open the mouth. Let's place palms together and really rub them, creating some heat. When you do anticipate some heat, cover your eyes. And on the next inhale, bring your arms to the sides. Let's rotate the wrists a few times. And then the opposite direction. And let's rotate the elbows, ragdoll, and the other direction. And let's rotate the whole arm all the way up and all the way down. Your whole arm, one direction. And then the opposite direction. Beautiful. Let's lengthen the arms all the way up above your head. Connect them and invert your arms. Push the sky. Lower the shoulders down. Gently tilt to your right. Come back up and gently tilt to your left. Come back up. Release your arms beside you onto the back. Place your feet onto the ground. And let's go ahead and sway those knees gently side to side. And bring your legs apart onto the ground. Inhale, really tall. And exhale, palms down, walking the fingertips forward, hinging from the lower back. Inhale, tall spine, flexing the feet. See, I'm flexing my feet. And exhale, forehead forward. Inhale, back, up, 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 up. Let's place your right elbow close to your right knee. Left arm above you. Gently. Lengthening the side of the rib cage. And lift back up and place your sky, gazing up. A few breaths, lengthening the side of the rib cage. And reach back, up, come back, center. Let's bring your legs a little closer. Let's place your fingertips onto the ground. Let's raise your right leg all the way up. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. Lift your left leg up. 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. Push your fingertips into the ground and lift both legs up. 3, 2, and 1. Lower the legs down. Shake, 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 shake. One more time. Lift both legs up. 3, 2, and lower both legs down. Shake, 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 shake. Let's find the tabletop. Place your palms right under the shoulders, knees right under the hips, and let's go ahead and make a few circles with the hips. Few circles with the hips. Yes. And reverse the direction. And come back center. Let's lengthen your right leg behind you. Press your toes into the ground. Press your heel down. And when you're ready, lengthen the leg up. Bend the knee. And let's kick the heel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up there. Tuck my left toes. Come up onto the fingertips. Arch the spine. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and gracefully release. Shake your hips, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And when you're ready, lengthen your left leg behind you. Even out the hips. Press your toes into the ground. Lower your heel down. And when you're ready, lengthen the leg up. Bend the knee. Let's kick the heel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. Tuck my right toes. Come up onto the fingertips. Arch the spine. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and gracefully release. Shake your hips a bit. Shake your hips. Let's seek balance. Right arm forward. Left leg behind you. Very simple balancing. A 5. Turn your palm up if you wish. 4. A 3, a 2, and release your palm down, release your knee down, shake the hips, lengthen your left arm, right leg, balance, stay in balance, the leg is parallel to the ground, the arm is parallel to the ground, a 4, a 3, a 2, and 1, place your palm back down. Shake the hips a bit, shake the hips. Beautiful. Bring your palms a little further, tuck the toes and lift up into my downward facing dog. Pressing the heels, pressing the palms. Let's go for the vinyasa. Plank, lower knees, chest and chin down to the ground. Slide forward, cobra. Remove your hands from the ground. Chin up. And push to the ground. 1 push up into the downward facing dog. Pedal the feet. Beautiful. 1 more vinyasa. Plank. Lower knees, chest and chin down. Elbows into the body. Slide forward. Cobra. Remove your hands. Chin up. And let's connect your palms behind. Inhale, chin, chest up. Really tall. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. If you need to, lower down. Otherwise, lengthen the arms, lengthen the leg, and breathe. 4, 3, 2. Push the ground. Lift. Low cobra. Maybe high cobra. Bend the knees. And on the exhale, find your child's pose. Find your downward facing dog when you're ready. Lift your hips up. Pedal the feet. Lift your right leg up into the air. And exhale, step your right foot forward to the front of the mat. Left arm down, right arm up. Simple twist. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Place your palm back down. Tuck your left toes. Step your right foot all the way back. Out of the feet. Lift your left leg up into the air. And on the exhale, step the left foot forward to the front of the mat. On the side edge of the mat. Right arm down. Left arm up. And when you're ready, place your palm down, tuck your right toes, and step the left foot back. Pedaling the feet. Beautiful. Begin bending the knees and walking the feet forward, gazing forward. Walk, walk, walk. Inhale, half lift. And exhale, dangle the head down, shake your head. No. Really heavy torso. Stay long. When you're ready, micro bend the knees and begin lifting up back to stand. Reach your arms all the way up. And exhale, bring your arms to the sides. Beautiful. Let's go for one more balancing pose. Placing palms onto the hips. Shift your weight onto the left. Pick up your right. Make a few circles with the ankle. And place this foot anywhere you'd like to place. Onto your inner thigh or around the knee. Place your palms in front of you. Breathe. Balance. Maybe release your branches of the tree. Maybe lean a bit to the right. And breathe. A 3. A 2. And 1. Reach both arms up. Place them back onto the hips. Bring the knee forward. Lift the leg up, lift the leg to the side, and step it back down. Shake the hips, even them out. Shift the weight onto the right, pick up the left. Make a few circles with the ankle. And when you're ready, place this foot anywhere you'd like to place. Maybe support yourself with the palm. Bring your arms forward in front of you. Balancing. Releasing the branches of the tree. Maybe placing palm down and swaying the tree a little bit to the left. And when you're ready, lift your both branches back up. Bring your palms onto the hips. Bring your knee forward. Lift it forward in front of you. Bring it slowly to the side and lower it down. Shake the hips. Let's separate your feet gently side to side, gently side to side. Come all the way down as you're comfortable. Bring your arms out, lengthen the knees. And exhale, right elbow under the left, eagle arms, elbows forward. Lift those heels up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and unwind. Inhale, reach, and exhale, left under the right, elbows up, heels up. A 5, 4, 3, 2, and unwind. Inhale up, feet parallel, lower your torso all the way down. Shaking your head, no. Gently sway all the way to the right. Touch your right foot. And sway yourself all the way to the left. And come back, center, shake my head, no. Bend the knees deeply and begin lifting up. All the way back up. And on the exhale, bring your palms down, heel toe your feet. Close your eyes for a moment. Exhale all the way around. Inhale for 1 Om. Om. resting.